So today we'll be learning about proxy mode in SpringBoot. So let's see a small piece of code here. So we have a normal class person DAO, and I created a class JDBC connection and did auto wiring here. These are getters and setters which are created. And in JDBC connection, I'm just printing JDBC connection, nothing fancy here. Okay, and so what we will do now is here in the main class, what we will do, we'll create person DAO and we'll do get bean from the application context. So what should happen here is we are doing it 2 times, and by default Spring scope of Spring provide the bean scope to be singleton. So in this case, what should happen when we print person DAO and person DAO 2, it should print us the same object. Okay, and when we print person DAO dot get JDBC, that JDBC object should also be the same one. So let's go and print it and see what's the outcome. What is the outcome? So starting the Spring context, and here I can see person DAO 419419. Okay, same bean, and JDBC connection is same. What if I want to create a different? So every time I get a bean, I want a different bean. So for that, what we can do is we can use scope here, and we can give the scope to be prototype. So what it does, whenever we are creating, we are doing get bean, it will create a new bean for us. Okay, and it will get it from the application context. And this thing being internally being done by the Spring. So here we can see 2995 and 20411. So different bean is created, but JDBC connection is same, right? What if I want to do a different bean? Person DAO is different, and I want a different JDBC connection for each one of them. Yeah. So simple solution. What we can do is we can take this scope prototype and we can add here, and we can see how it works. So again we are running, and let's see the outcome. If it failed, I don't know. Okay, it gave me person DAO 679. The person DAO is different, and JDBC connection is also different because we have this prototype in the JDBC connection scope. What if I want to do person DAO to be different, to be same? Okay, I want same. So in that case, I remove this, and I want JDBC connection to be different. Let's do it. So in this case, when person DAO is singleton and JDBC is prototype, should give me 1% DAO and JDBC connection, two different objects. Okay, it failed because other terminals are running. Just close them. Again, I will run. So in this type, person DAO will be 1 and JDBC connection object beans will be two different beans because we have this prototype. So let's see, 94 is the 94 is the person DAO is 1, but as you can see, JDBC connection is also 1. Isn't that absurd because we are using prototype? So in this case, what we need to do is we need to add something called as proxy mode here, and what it does for each bean creation, it will get us the scoped proxy mode dot target class. So the current class will be scoped proxy mode, and in this case, whenever we are getting the bean, it will be passed through this proxy first. So let's stop this and again rerun. So in this case, one person DAO will be there and two JDBC connection will be there. So one person DAO is there, and for each request, whatever the request we are making, we are having a different JDBC connection. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I know it's cool. And here you can see that JDBC connection. So two different JDBC connection is being done. It's not like a single bean is being created.